What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on this channel, man. Yo, it's been a while since we have dropped a tutorial, man. So today we're going to be seeing how I tried making Kapeke, Polokoto. First of all, who is Kapeke? Let's check here. Gogo is saying Kapeke. This is Kapeke, yeah. You can see the songs Sweetie Kabaka Sanya, the back to bar show called yeah, that's Kapeke. As you can see, blah blah blah, many things where he studied. What does AI say about Kapeke? Who is Kapeke? Kapeke, whose real name is Derek, is Ugandan born on 25th 2000. Is again prepared for his music and has shared this journey of overcoming challenges in the industry, often expressing a preference for collaborating with young artists. Okay, then if you check it, you see a lot of notifications about Kapeke. Yeah, so now I think you know Kapeke. So you can see we tried making one of these songs.
Come to daddy. Kapeke, yeah, no say.
That's where we're going. So this was how I think it was made. They probably started with a kick immediately, but mine, I didn't put the kicks. Probably theirs went like this. So that was just there. They just played the same bass. They kept on repeating it. Then they changed in the hand. So me, I thought I would add something. I think so. This is how it made. So if you hear with this bass I made, then you can hear the drums. So if you hear the bass, then if you check, I added some fills from this reggaeton drum kit. In case you need a drum kit, inbox me. Yeah, my number is always there. You always check. So this is the fill. So it helped a lot to make it the transformation. So for me, I played only one instrument, even though in the original song you can go and check there are many instruments played, but me, I played one only. Ka. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe so that you don't miss in the next video. Yeah.